By mid-afternoon on a standard Tuesday, most people's nervous systems are redlining. Between back-to-back meetings and endless notifications, the brain processes a flooded inbox with the same physical urgency as a survival threat. Common solutions focus almost entirely on external changes. We reach for herbal supplements, pay for meditation apps, or invest in ergonomic gear, hoping that altering our environment will finally quiet the internal noise. But human physiology actually contains an internal control panel to regulate the stress response, and it doesn't require extra equipment to access because the interface is located entirely in your hands. Long before modern neurobiology, practitioners mapped this system through Mudra Vijnana, or the science of mudras. This ancient practice uses specific finger gestures to direct biological energy and influence physical health. Early practitioners developed these gestures as a physiological technology, relying on physical mechanics developed thousands of years before modern medicine could map the corresponding neural pathways. Understanding this system provides a free, zero-equipment tool that anyone can use to regulate their own nervous system in the middle of a busy workday. This practice operates on the theory that the body is a closed energetic circuit, with biological energy traveling along specific pathways known as nadis. Your fingertips contain an extreme density of nerve endings, making the hands a natural interface for these internal pathways. Pressing specific fingertips together closes a circuit. This sends a targeted signal back to the brain to balance the body's internal state and clear physiological blockages. This chart shows the first proof of concept, Gyan Mudra. It is formed by connecting the tip of the index finger to the thumb. According to the source text, completing this circuit stimulates the brain's knowledge centers, promoting peace, sharpening focus, and aiding memory retention. Other gestures target different systems entirely. Apan Mudra utilizes the middle and ring fingers connected to the thumb to trigger a distinct internal response. This specific circuit redirects internal energy downward. It's used to activate the digestive system and help the body efficiently flush out waste and toxins. By treating the hand as an anatomical keypad, you can exploit the body's existing neurological wiring to trigger specific, predictable physical changes. Because these circuits are predictable, we can integrate them into a daily routine designed to manage the high-pressure environment of a modern office. Start your morning with Gyan Mudra. Holding this for a few minutes balances the pituitary gland and sets a focused neurological intention before the workday begins. For midday stress, use Shankh Mudra, the middle finger touching the thumb, to provide a physical release. This gesture is utilized to relieve jaw clenching and regulate heart rate spikes that often occur during high-stakes meetings. If you experience communication anxiety before speaking publicly, use Shankh Mudra. This conch shell shape targets throat tension, helping to steady the voice. As the day ends, your nervous system needs to transition from this erratic, spiked frequency to a smooth, rolling wave. Using a combination of Pran and Gyan Mudra aids this shift. To fall into deep sleep, the brain must move out of hyper-vigilance. These gestures signal the body to begin that transition, helping to combat insomnia. Mastering the biological interface of your own hands empowers you with a direct, invisible tool to regulate your health and find a state of calm in a chaotic world.